How to add an extra member on Netflix. What's up everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you are able to easily add an extra member on your Netflix account. But before getting started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's begin. The very first thing you need to do here is open up your Netflix and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, just tap on the profile icon on the top right corner and you'll see this drop down right here. Just head over to the account section. Now, once you tap on the accounts, go ahead and open up this security and privacy settings. Now, you will be taken to this page. Here you have an option for extra members, which is a new feature that Netflix added. And on the right side, you'll see buy an extra member slot. Go ahead and click on this. Then you'll have to click on next and then click on start extra member. And finally, click on next again. Once you've done all of that, you just have to enter the name of the person and their email address. Then you just have to enter your name right here and then finally tap on next. What this will do is it will send them an email on the email address that you've just entered and notify them that they have been added as an extra member on your Netflix account. So if you want to choose a new profile for them, that's great, you can do that. Or if you want to move to an existing profile, you can do that as well. Then tap on next, and then as it says success invitation sent, then that means that your invitation was successful. So you can just head back to Netflix and they can also enjoy Netflix on your account. That's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.